lessons learned from the small and sweet. Look. Having a child is surely the most beautifully irrational act that two people in love can commit.